Hey guys, we're testing out a new product today, Genesis Subzero. You've seen our other videos with Power Up. This is basically Power Up that goes in your AC compressor. Works in your car or your house or anything that takes refrigerant. So we're gonna check it out. Here we go. So we've got here an 06 Toyota Camry. We've been driving it around for a little bit to get the AC nice and cold. I've got a digital thermometer here. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. And we're going to take a vent reading to see what's blowing. So right about 67.5 degrees coming out of the vent right there. So we're going to put this stuff in and see if it changes it. So to put in this Subzero, we're going to use an applicator. Basically this end right here plugs into your low pressure side, and you'll put the product inside this little tube here. I'll show you there in a second, and you squeeze it in. So you know it's 103 degrees outside right now, so we need our AC blowing cold. So okay, so we've got our applicator here, and you see there's a little cylinder that moves down right there. We're going to roll it down as far as we can. And this is our Subzero. You only need 1/4 of an ounce for automotive system. So this bottle is 2 ounces, so we're going to put in 1/4 of the bottle. Whoa. And that takes pretty much the whole thing. So we've used just under 1/4 of the bottle. I'm going to put just a drop more in. Screw the lid on top of this thing. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want that stuff coming out on you. Okay, so inside here, we've got a low pressure cap right back here. See, there's an L on there for low pressure. We got that snapped on there. So now, what we're going to do is screw it in. I should put it all in there. Over here just a second. We're going to take a reading and see how many degrees it's dropped. I can definitely feel a difference. Okay, so 51 degrees, 48. It's still getting colder. You see that all right? 47, so somewhere around 48 and 49 degrees. Before we were getting about 67. So a good 18 degrees.